Okay, let's continue working with rationals. And I'm just going to simplify, or basically factor, everything I can. And then we will divide. So x squared minus 16 is just the difference of two squares, which can be factored. And so you just open two sets of brackets. The root of x squared is just x. The root of 16 is just 4. All over. Now we have x squared plus 2x minus 15. Again, open two sets of brackets. And we're looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 15 and add up to 2. So how about 5 and negative 3? Those work. Now I can factor out an x out of x squared plus 4x. X squared divided by x is x. 4x divided by x is 4. All over x plus 5. Great. Now what I can do is just keep the first rational here the same. And the second part, I will just flip and multiply instead of dividing. So this will become multiplication signal, and I will flip this. The x plus 5 will become the numerator, all over the denominator, which is now x times x plus 4. Great. Now I can start simplifying things, because we're just multiplying top, top, bottom, bottom. So x plus 4 up top, x plus 4 down at the bottom, they cancel out. And x plus 5 over x plus 5 cancel out also. So we're left with a 1 over here. So x minus 4 times 1 is just x minus 4. And x minus 3 times x, I'll just leave it as x times x minus 3. There's no need to expand. Just leave it like that. That's it. Now, how about question number 8? Let's start factoring things again. Here we have another trinomial, which can be factored. X squared minus x minus 12. We're looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 12 and add up to negative 1. How about negative 4 and positive 3? Those work out well. Down at the bottom, we're looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 8 and add up to negative 2. So we can have negative 4 plus 2. And over on the right side, I can factor out an x over here. X squared divided by x is just x. 3x divided by x is just 3. And down at the bottom, two numbers that multiply to 4 and add up to 4 will be just 2 and 2. Great. Now I can already cancel out the x minus 4s over here, so they're gone. And I will just keep this fraction the same. Now I will flip this one and multiply it. So that will become multiplication signal instead of a division signal. And the x plus 2 times x plus 2 will go up top. And down at the bottom we're going to have x times x plus 3. Great. Whoops. Now I can cancel out the x plus 3 and the x plus 3. Top and bottom. So we're left with a 1 here. And x plus 2 can cancel out with an x plus 2. So that's also 1. Great. So what are we left with? 1 times x plus 2 is just x plus 2. And 1 times x is just x. So we're left with x plus 2 over x. That's it.